If you're using Chebe powder and you're not getting the optimal moisture retention that you should be getting, then maybe you're using it the wrong way. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you one way I use Chebe powder for optimum moisture retention. Hello everyone, my name is Joy and you're welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit that red button and give this video a thumbs up. So right here, I'm going to be using my first ingredient, which is my fenugreek tea, and I have a video on this fenugreek tea in my channel. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. So what I do, instead of using water, I like to use a tea, and we know fenugreek is a very potent herb, and it's good also for promoting hair growth. So I slightly spray that on my hair before applying my oil to my hair. So I always use the LOC method, which is liquid, which is my fenugreek tea, then my oil, and I'm going to be using my cream. But before I use my cream, this is where my Chebe treatment comes in. I'm going to be applying this, and I have a short clip right on the top corner of your screen on how I make this. So this is basically just using 1 spoon of Chebe oil, depending on the quantity of your hair, and also your favorite leave-in conditioner. So you just want to stir this properly, and I like the texture I got because I'm using this as a leave-in, so it's more like a leave-in conditioner than before I seal it up with my hair butter. So guys, you want to make sure you are applying your hair butter to the ends of your hair, like you have to cover that up, properly sealing that moisture in so that your hair don't dry out. Then you want to braid or twist your hair depending on which protective style you're trying to make that particular time. I love to twist, but in today's video I will be doing a braid. I'll just repeat the same process for this section, and I'll show you guys the final outcome. Don't forget guys, there are other methods of moisturizing your hair. It's either the LOC or the LCO or the LO or the LC. There are different methods out there, and I'll try to leave it in the description box for those who don't know, so you can also have other options of moisturizing your hair. And guys, you want to be doing this on a freshly washed hair. My hair is freshly washed and I'm just moisturizing my hair. This is the final outcome guys, and don't worry about the yellow or whitish surface. It's going to clear out before 1 hour's time. It's going to clear out. This is it guys, I'm done with braiding my hair, and this is my protective style for the week. Of course, I'm going to put this up in like two bantu knots so that they don't rub off on my shoulders. So notice guys that I'm not applying this on my scalp. A lot of people complain that Chebe irritates their scalp, and I too have noticed that, so I don't rub this on my scalp. I went at least an inch away from my scalp to apply this. So you want to do a patch test to make sure that you're not irritated with Chebe powder on your scalp. That's it guys for this video. Thank you for watching, and consider subscribing to my channel. Hit that like button and also turn on the notification bell so that each time I post a video you'll be notified. See you all in my next video. Bye.